A very big hello to all my wonderful champions. I hope my dear children are doing fine. First of all, it's not a strategy video. It's just an important thing that came across my mind, and that is a lot of you were asking, ma'am, how to balance PU2 and KCET as of now. Let me tell you, there's only one straight answer, and it's given in the thumbnail, and you know the answer. That is, please, there is no need to balance, because you should not be preparing for KCET as of now. This video is especially for those of you who are struggling behind, because you are not able to complete your second PUC syllabus. If at all you are someone who have completed your second PUC syllabus and you have revised also well, you're super confident, you want to go ahead with solving KCET PYQs, it's all cool. But I know majority of us are not like that, right? Majority of us are not like that. I have been a student, I know that. And I also know when you have a competitive examination coming, just right after your PU2 boards, you obviously would be in a panicky mood as to you do not know what your focus should be on. So please understand, as a teacher, I am telling you that please drop KCET for now. You can just keep it aside. Okay, why? Just believe in yourself that when you are preparing for your PU2 boards, this thing is definitely going to help you in determining your KCET rank. Especially if at all you are an engineering aspirant, I hope you guys, you know that how your rank is calculated. Half of what you score in your PU2 is going to be taken. Similarly, half of what you score in your KCET is going to be taken, and that is going to determine your KCET rank. So please understand that this particular part is important. It has equal weightage in your rank determination. So if you mess around here, your ranks are gonna go down, right? So yes, please focus on this as of now. Your PU2 boards are super important for your future as well, for future admissions. I'm not saying future, less than 10 years, 15 years, every time the PU2 marks is going to be asked. No, that does not make any sense, and let me be honest there. But yes, for college admissions, for things like that, you definitely need. For the initial part of your life, after this, you will need good marks out there, which is why I'm telling you, focus on this as of now. Later we can go ahead with KCET. On 17th of March, your your PU2 board ends, right? And post that, your KCET examination would be starting by 23rd of April. So roughly we say, my dear children, you get a 30 days gap. That means at least a 1 month gap, where your first focus should be PU1 first, because anyway you have covered PU2 somehow. If at all you have not, you'll still get time to go ahead with PU2 also. So have that trust, and it's not like you should have this in your head that, okay, after my boards, after a few days break, I have to get back for KCET. That's the only way out. Okay, there is no other way where you do not think that I can afford a lot of break out there. You obviously will not get the coming months, which are there, quite be a bit tiring for you. Okay, but make sure you take care of your health on priority, and make sure that you know your priorities really well. Okay, as of now, your priority is PU2. Later on, obviously, it's KCET that will be your priority. And if you're struggling with PU2, I had made a separate video on 15 days timetable about what you should be doing, what is a gap day strategy. I don't think I should be repeating it, but just telling you, please do not refer to multiple books. You do not need that as of now. Okay, you do not need any multiple books. Just have 2 books with you, and that is one, your NCERT for concepts, second one, GWIT. If you're talking about books, NCERT and GWIT, that is more than enough. And remember, from Monday, we are going to give you free things for your second PUC. There is a new thing that we are launching for completely free. It's definitely going to help you out. Physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, Kannada, computer science, everything is going to be covered. So keep it, trust us. Okay, and be free of any tension. We have helped you before also. We will be helping you. So I've seen that a lot of you guys watched our practical videos. You gave a lot of good things that, yes, ma'am, it went well. So trust us on this, and I'm telling you, you will be getting all help that you need. And obviously you have yourself also. As I said, you have the resources. If at all you're looking for any concepts, okay, if at all you're looking for any concepts that you need in your PU2, we are doing master stroke series, and this is for all the subjects: physics, chemistry, mathematics, as well as biology. In physics, I remember 9 chapters are already done. Now 4 more chapters are only left. Okay, similarly in mathematics also 9 chapters are done. In biology also 9 chapters are already being done. please go ahead and watch those videos. These are one-shot videos, okay? One-shot videos, which is more than enough for you to understand what is there needed for your PU2 and also for KCET. So it's like one-step solution that you have. After watching this one-shot, okay, make sure one-shot and NCERT go line by line, and then go ahead with one very important thing, that is your PYQ solution. Now, if at all you feel reading a book does not help or basically cannot solve like that, we also have Brahmastra. We also have Brahmastra, again free. Chapter wise we have given you questions, each and every 1 marker, 2 marker, 3 marker, 5 marker, 4 marker, everything out there. Even your MQP questions are being sorted out there. So please watch this. I'm telling you, all of them are free resources, and this is for everyone who is confused whether I should be focusing on KCET or PU2 as of now. It's PU2 time, focus on PU2, give your best, have enough sleep, drink enough water, take care of your health, okay, and just finish it off. That's all. Yeah, KCET, leave KCET on us. And my dear children, if you were not aware, we have launched KCET 30 batch for KCET examination. And this helps you in preparation. So just after your boards, this course starts on 21st of March. So if you feel that you need help from our end, we are going to give you structured plan on what day, what should be done, PU1, PU2 syllabus, all of it is going to be covered. There will be chapter wise PYQs with solutions. Apart from that, you will also get this in test format as well. So it's not like reading a boring book. You can give a test and see how much your score is. Okay, and there will be live online doubt clarification classes, and there will be 10 full-length KCET mock test as well. All of it will be there. It's an English batch. The price for it is rupees 2499, and the offer price is going to end by 25th of Feb. So if at all you're planning to take it up, please make sure you take it up now with the price that is 2499. Okay, the start date remains the same. It is 21st of March after your boards. So yes, you have a solution for that also. I gave you the solution for that. Now, if not KC 30 batch, my dear children, as I said, you have yourself. Go ahead, okay, and take the best use of all the PYQ books out there, everything out there that you have. And yes, we have launched the KCET PYQ book also. The pricing for that, I think, is rupees 399. It's 20 years, all the questions, okay, and PCM is covered. Physics, chemistry, mathematics is covered, okay. If at all you can find the link in the description section, you can try that, or else I'll ask my team to do that if you need a PYQ book as well. Okay, so resources are here. Just be ready for studying, and as of now, focus on your second PUC. From Monday onwards, you will be getting free videos on that also. There will be live videos, recorded videos, everything. Okay, and do not be panicked. We are here, and yeah, I just wanted to tell you that if you want to have a look at free mock test, if needed, again, it's there in the description section. Go check out the mock test PDF, put in your number, and you will be seeing that. But yes, as of now, you can go ahead with PU2 and give your best. My dear children, you're more capable than you can ever imagine. Yes, and you will be able to do it. Lots and lots of love. Please take care. Bye-bye. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button if at all you think that this channel is helping you well.